In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on the Saks Fifth Avenue website, whether you're eagerly awaiting a new purchase or simply want to ensure everything is on track. Knowing how to efficiently check your order status can save you time and provide peace of mind. First things first, let's open your browser and navigate to du.saksfifthavenue.com. When you arrive at their digital storefront, you'll notice the clean and elegant layout that mirrors their physical store's luxurious feel. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the Sign In While Register option. Give it a click. For those of you who already have an account, go ahead and enter the email and password you used when making your purchase. If you're a guest shopper, don't worry. Saks Fifth Avenue has you covered too. You can still track your order with your order number and the email address you used during the transaction, making it convenient for one-time or spur-of-the-moment shoppers. Once you've logged in or entered your guest information, you'll want to look for your profile icon, which is also located in the top right corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll select My Orders. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can see all your recent purchases neatly listed. On this My Orders page, you'll encounter a clean and organized view of your order history. Each order will be prominently displayed along with its current status. Common status updates you might see include processing, which means your order is still being prepared and packaged. If it says shipped, your items are on their way to your doorstep, and you might even have a tracking number available to see its journey. And of course, delivered indicates that your order should be at its final destination. When you're keen on more details about a specific order, all you need to do is select that order from the list. This will provide you with complete information, such as the items included, the payment details, and the expected delivery date. It's a comprehensive view that ensures you know exactly what's happening with your purchase. And there you have it. This straightforward process lets you keep tabs on your Saks Fifth Avenue orders with ease, allowing you to enjoy the shopping experience without any lingering worries. Tracking your order not only helps you plan its arrival, but also ensures that if any issues arise, you can address them promptly. Whether you're shopping for yourself or sending a gift, understanding these steps ensures a seamless experience every time.